So hello guys, I'm here at Jamila Aesthetics.
Dito nga po pala si Kim Kardashian.
We're putting Emla for the double chin naman to. Mag-haifu tayo ngayon.
Okay.
Pasok mo pa lang, andyan na si Kadel. So here's the reception. At ang ganda na agad ng bubungad sa'yo. Oh, diba? Oh my gosh. Hi. So I'm here. So suite 1 tayo. Sa suite 1 tayo. Oh, this is the couple room. Oh, yan yung mga gusto mag-relax na couples. You can get this room. Suite 1. So dito. Ito, si Madam Ellen Adarna mo, ang model. This is another couple room. It's so nice. Tapos dito yung IV room. Ito yung mga IV room nila. CR, of course. Ay, pa-check nga ng powder nila. Ay, oh, diba? Pati powder room, ang ganda. Grabe. Super social talaga ni Bakla. Ganda. Social si Madam. And there, pag gusto mong mag-OOTD, yes, perfect. Pak, pak, pak. Ganun. This is their drip lounge room. Super nice. I love the color. It's so relaxing here. And the doctor's room. Okay, so dito yata gagawin ng mga botox and everything, right?
Yes.
At may pantry. May libre food nyo dyan, kape? Ah, bongga, social. Ganda, super. Super pang mayaman ang clinic. So there. And, charan! Love it.
Dito nga po pala si Kim Kardashian.
So hello guys, I'm here at Jamila Aesthetics. So magtataka kayo bakit ako nandito at wala ako sa Skin by Lidisha. Of course, I'm supporting beauty industry. So kahit magkakalaban kami sa beauty industry, hindi pa rin kami magkakalaban talaga dahil iba-iba ang aming location. So kami sa SM City Grand Central. Jamila Aesthetics is here in Mandaluyong at SM Fame Mall. Sobrang ganda. Bago lang tong mall na to. Actually, hindi pa bukas yung iba. Pero sila bukas na bukas. Ready to serve you. Just go here because she's my friend and she asked me matagal na to visit her clinic and she will give me free treatments, ganyan. So, I told her, sakto, magpapasko, maraming events and yung doktora ko sa Lidisha, medyo hindi kami magtagpo ng schedule. So, I told her, sis, pabotox mo naman ako, ganyan-ganyan. So, ayun. Parang may hair na ako dito. Sa arte ko, di ba? Conscious ako. Baka pwede ako magpag-botox. Kasi, pag ikaw nagpa-botox ka, it has to be maintenance na talaga. Kasi, alam mo, maa-addict ka. Kasi, ma-fresh ka talaga. You look fresh. You look blooming, glowing. It's everything. I asked her a favor. And kahit nasa Dubai, lola mo ngayon, nasa Dubai ata, nagbabakasyon. Talagang nilaban niya ako dito. And sobrang ganda ng clinic niya. Actually, magka-color kami ng clinic. As in, almost the same. Like, parang light gold lang sa amin. Sa kanya, gold talaga kung gold ng laban. Ang ganda ng clinic niya. Super. I love. Ang ganda, oh. So, ang ganda ng mga paintings ng lalaki. So, there, I'm supporting Jamila Aesthetics. So, Jam. So, if you happen to visit Mandaluyong, it's just right here at SM Fame Mall. So, there you go. I'll show you my procedure. Hi guys! We're putting Emla for the double chin naman to. Mag-haifu tayo ngayon. Yeah.
Para makita lalo yung panganin mo.
Oo. Pak na pak yung jaw natin. So I have strap tops and crow's feet. Tama?
Yes po.
Botox. Then haifu. And then later sa tummy naman so tayo. So we are having, anong ginagawa natin ate?
For tightening po and then dilating tripolar RF.
Okay, yeah. For tummy.
But this time, we're having this for my shoulders, for tightening also, and para sexy siya, diba? Tignan, very feminine tignan. So, matutulog muna ako. Mamaya, nakaka-relax ko kasi mainit. Kaya masarap. Antok muna ako.
A few moments later.
Here we go. We're having Ultra Haifu. For contouring to, at least mawawala yung double chin ko. And for melting of fats, no? And yes, ayan. For skin tightening also. This is the best. It's my first time to try this here. To try this one. I-injection na tayo na parang ano to? Ha? Pang-V-line to. So parang mesoline po to, pampatanggal ng fats. Para mas mabilis matunaw yung fats. So there.
We want to lessen the tension, remove the pain, and also lessen the muscle bulk. Okay? So inject intramuscular, no? So, okay. One more.
This is what you call tiis ganda. But it's tolerable.
It's like a mosquito bite lang. Okay. 1, 2, 3. One more. Last. Okay.
That's the technique. It's the breathing exercise para hindi mo ma-feel na masakit. Hi, Ate Grace. Thank you. I'm so happy and so excited for the result. So, see you next month. Balik ako. Bye, guys. Jam, my love. Thank you so much for everything. Yeah! Oh, kita mo yung joke ko. Para talagang pulang-pula. Grabe. Excited ako sa effect. Mawawala ng double chin ang lola mo. Saya. I'm so happy. Kasi syempre magpapasko ngayon, guys. Maraming mga reunions and events. We look good. Yeah. Syempre, achieve dapat natin ang mongo face. Hindi, kahit naman anong shape. Ang importante, happy ka, confident ka sa sarili mo, and always remember, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is your inner beauty. Next! So, I hope you like this day. It's all about Botox. Kung ano-anong Botox. And kung ano-anong pa-haifu. God bless you guys. And whatever you do, pray about it. Kasi not everything that is good for me is also good for you. Okay? So, I'm just here to share my experience and what I do. But, it's still all up to you. You have to pray about everything you do. So, ako pinag-pray ko dahil talagang binisnes ko din to. And I really believe in this. Beauty industry, I believe in this. Okay? So there you go. Visit Jamila Aesthetics. Just PM them. I'm gonna put all their social media accounts. Okay, thank you, Jam. I love you. And I'll see you soon, Jam.